In primetime news this evening, doctors rage. Medic fumes at private hospitals handling of his patient. Still trying. Displaced workers finding new ways to make money in Portmore. And open it up. Government defends handling of COVID response as businessman calls for controlled reopening of the economy. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, we have the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what activity do you miss the most in the COVID-19 crisis?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.